Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change Apple ID password, security update step by step clearly. First, make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is connected to the internet. If you can, update your device to the latest iOS, iPadOS, or macOS version for the best security. On iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app from the home screen. Tap your name at the very top to enter Apple ID settings. Select Password and Security to open the security options. Tap Change Password and wait for the verification prompt. Enter your device passcode when asked to confirm it is really you. Type a new password that is at least 8 characters and includes letters and numbers. Avoid using your name, birthday, or easy words like password or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Re-enter the same new password in the Verify field to prevent typing mistakes. Add an optional password hint only if it does not reveal the password. Tap Change in the top right corner to save your new Apple ID password. If you use iCloud Keychain, choose whether to update saved passwords on your devices. Now open Settings again and confirm you are still signed in under your name. If you are signed out, sign in with the new Apple ID password to restore iCloud services. On a Mac, click the Apple menu and choose System Settings or System Preferences. Click your Apple ID name. Then open Password and Security. Click Change Password and authenticate with your Mac login password or Touch ID. Enter the new password. Enter it again to verify, and click Change. If you cannot access a trusted device, open a browser and go to iForgot.apple.com. Type your Apple ID email or phone number. Then complete the security verification. Follow the on-screen steps to reset your password using a trusted number or device. After changing the password, sign in again on all Apple devices you own. Open any non-Apple apps that use Sign In with Apple and confirm they still work. Check your Apple ID account page at Apple.com to review devices and sign-ins. Remove any device you do not recognize and change the password again if needed. Turn on two-factor authentication in Password and Security if it is not already enabled. Store the new password in a trusted password manager so you do not lose it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.